Here's the Derby Dam at 9 a.m. Still about 3 hours till high tide. And as you can see, there's a lot of water. Hog Island is completely submerged. Incredible amount of water. Refers to the Yale Boathouse. 80-foot dock came apart. Some of the debris right there at the bottom of the dam might be from Yale. That's a whole lot of water. Up on Route 34, these poor people, it's incredible. This is somebody's backyard, or at least was. More pictures from Lake Housatonic. See the incredible amount of water. As you can tell, it's right up to the road.